7 FATS concept, 7 flags approach of total sanitation. Before introducing the concept, let's talk about why it was developed and why it is important for school. The word was refers to water, sanitation and hygiene. The whole world need a better strategy plan for water safety and promoting good sanitation facilities and improved hygiene practice. From WHO record, it is found that in 2017 only 45% of global population use safely managed sanitation service. 31% of global population need private sanitation facilities connected to sewer. 14% use toilet and latrine, and about 74%, that is 5.5 billion people, use at least a basic sanitation service. It is found that 2 billion people still do not have basic sanitation facilities. Still, 673 million defecate in open. 10% of the world's population is thought to consume food irrigated by wastewater. So, it is great time that everyone should be well known of WASH, and also it's time of necessity to think about drinking water, sanitation and hygiene. Even Sustainable Development Goals number 6 by UN is about clean water and sanitation. Its mission is to ensure availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. With that major concern, Sudan Rajpanthi, National Professional Officer of WHO, developed 7 FATS conceptual framework with board aspect for school, focusing at each child washes both hands with soap after using the toilet and highly desired before eating. Each child will use a clean toilet or urinal consistently. Each child will be able to drink safe water supplied by the school. Adequate menstrual hygiene facilities will be available at school. All wash facilities are equitably available to all students regardless of physical and social conditions. Each child consumes hygiene and safe food, and the overall environment of school is clean. We know that clean water, basic toilets and good hygiene practices are essential for the survival and the development of children. Every child has the right to a quality education, which includes access to drinking water, sanitation and hygiene service at school. Also, the report states that every day children die from preventable disease caused by poor water and a lack of sanitation and hygiene. Also, 10.8 million people in Nepal do not have access to improved sanitation, and 3.5 million do not have access to basic water service. At school, children spend a significant portion, 7 to 9 hours of their day. Now, let's talk why 7 FATs required to school. First of all, to aware the school about their own WASH status. Secondly, to develop the sense of ownership and responsibility to the students, and to upgrade WASH facilities and practice in school as per required. Besides this, 7 FATs is an innovative and initiative approach where students are responsible for continuity and sustainability of WASH related activities and practice in their school, and the concept can be guiding principle or indicators which helps for ranking the school's STAR approach, which is globally recognized concept. 7 FATs concept develops 7 flags, each represent an indicator of the total sanitation. Indicator 1, use of toilet. Indicator 2, hand washing and personal hygiene. Indicator 3, menstrual hygiene. Indicator 4, equity in wash. Indicator 5, safe water. Indicator 6, safe food. Indicator 7, clean environment. Together it is 7 FATs indicator of school. Let's concern about was.